Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make object pooling in Unity. Let's start. First, we need to create an object pool class that will store our objects and provide them when needed. Now let's create our variables. Public game object prefab, this is the prefab to pool. Private queue game object pool, this is the queue to hold the objects. Then we create a function called getObject. The purpose of this function to retrieve an object from the pool. If there is an available object in the pool, it activates and returns that object. If the pool is empty, it instantiates a new object. If the pool count bigger than 0, then get an object from the pool and activate the object. Else create a new object if the pool is empty. That's it. After that, we create a function called returnObject. The purpose of this function to return a used object back to the pool. It deactivates the object and adds it back to the pool for future reuse. After that, we create a script called GameManager. We'll use the GameManager to detect player input, spawn bullets from the object pool, set their movements, and return them to the pool after a short time to optimize performance. Now let's create our variables. These are bullet pool and bullet speed. Then we create update function. This function checks if the user presses the space key, and if so, it calls the shoot function. After that, we create shoot function. The purpose of this function to fire a bullet. It retrieves a bullet from the object pool, sets its position and rotation, and leaves a place for additional code to start the bullet's movement. After that, we create the deactivate bullet function. The purpose of this function to wait for a specific duration before returning a bullet to the pool. As a coroutine, it pauses for the specific time and then calls the return object function to return the bullet to the pool. Then let's create empty game objects to assign our classes. And don't forget to assign our bullet pool object. After create a 3D object to assign, I created a sphere, then I added a rigid body. This part is very important. Then convert this object into a prefab and assign it. Now let's test it. As you can see, if there are existing objects, it activates and reuses them. If not, it recreates them. And that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe, also leave a comment. See you in the next video.